Advocating overthrow of government, aggravated assault, battery, aggravated identity theft, aiming a laser pointer at an aircraft, airplane hijacking, anti-racketeering, antitrust, armed robbery, arson, assassination, assault with a deadly weapon, assaulting or killing federal officer, assisting or instigating escape, attempt to commit murder, manslaughter, bank burglary, bankruptcy, fraud, embezzlement, bank larceny, bank robbery, blackmail, bombing matters, bond default, breaking and or entering carrier facilities, bribery, crime, certification of checks, fraud, child abuse, civil action to restrain harassment of a victim or witness, coercion, commodities, price fixing, computer crime, concealing escaped prisoner, concealing person from arrest, concealment of assets, conspiracy, in matters under FBI jurisdiction, conspiracy to impede or injure an officer, contempt of court, continuing criminal enterprise, conveying false information, copyright matters, counterfeiting, counterintelligence crimes, credit debit card fraud, crime aboard aircraft, crimes on government reservations, crimes on Indian reservations, criminal contempt of court, criminal forfeiture, criminal infringement of a copyright, cyber crimes, damage to religious property, delivery to consignee demands against the U.S., destruction of aircraft or motor vehicles used in foreign commerce, destruction of an energy facility, destruction of property to prevent seizure, destruction of records in federal investigations and bankruptcy, destruction of corporate audit records, destruction of veterans memorials, detention of armed vessel, disclosure of confidential information, domestic security, domestic terrorism, domestic violence, drive-by shooting, drug abuse violations, drug smuggling, drug trafficking, DUIP of federal property, economic espionage, election law crimes, embezzlement against a state, entering train to commit crime, enlistment to serve against the U.S. environmental scheme, crimes, escaping custody, escaped federal prisoners, examiner performing other services, exploitation of drugs, extortion, failure to appear on felony offense, failure to pay legal child support obligations, false bail, false pretenses, false statements relating to healthcare matters, falsely claiming citizenship, false declarations before grand jury or court, false entries in records of interstate carriers, false information and hoaxes, false statement to obtain unemployment compensation, Federal Aviation Act, federal civil rights violations, hate crimes, police misconduct, financial transactions with foreign government, first degree murder, flight to avoid prosecution or giving testimony, forced labor, forgery, fraud, activity in connection with electronic mail, fraud against the government, genocide, hacking crimes, harboring terrorists, harming animals used in law enforcement, hate crime acts, homicide, hostage taking, identity theft, illegal possession of firearms, immigration offenses, impersonator, making arrest or search, importation of drugs, influencing juror by writing, injuring officer, insider trading, crimes, insurance, fraud, interference with the operation of a satellite, international parental kidnapping, international terrorism, interstate domestic violence, interstate violation of protection order, larceny, lobbying with appropriated monies, mailing, threatening communications, major fraud against the U.S. manslaughter, medical health care fraud, missile systems designed to destroy aircraft, misuse of passport, misuse of visas, permits, or other documents, money laundering, motor vehicle theft, murder by a federal prisoner, murder committed during drug-related drive-by